Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Pooja Upadhyay from Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. In my previous video session, we have started the concept of direct marketing, in which we have seen the basic definition and meaning of direct marketing, along with advantages and disadvantages. In this video session, we are going to see the different pillars, also known as different tools of direct marketing. So let's start. In previous video session, we have discussed that direct marketing plays important role from the perspective of small businessmen. It increases the sales of the businesses along with the reputation. We have also discussed that while performing direct marketing, marketer basically make the profiling of customers, then segment it into different categories, then according to the characteristics of product or services, they choose the pool of potential customers, and then finally they apply different direct marketing strategies on that potential customers. Here in this video session, we are going to see that different tools or pillars of direct marketing implemented by direct marketers. Let's see these all tools one by one. The very first technique, tactic, tool or pillar of direct marketing is direct mail. It is one of the important and old form of direct marketing technique. Before the digitalization of world, this tool direct mail were very popular in direct marketing. Under this is simply letters or postcards are sent to the potential customers and let them know about particular product or service. So in this direct mail, marketer basically choose potential customers and then they send various offers and detail about the product and services with the help of postcards or letters by using main post office of the country or various courier services. The next one is telemarketing. Telemarketing is one of the common form of direct marketing technique where marketers or the employees call to the potential customers, then give them information related to particular product and services, take their follow-ups, gives updates related to that product or service. So these are all takes place under telemarketing. It's a simple telephonic calling. Nowadays, people are literally annoyed by this telemarketing because there are millions of marketers and businessmen who are using this telemarketing. And due to this, customers are annoyed to receive these spam calls. They consider these all calls made for telemarketing as a spam call. The next tool of this direct marketing is email marketing. Email marketing is a digitalized form or online form of this direct mails. Instead of sending the information related to product or service via letters or postcard, here marketers make email to the potential customers with the use of the mail ID of the customers. Same tactics is used in under email marketing. Simply here the marketer can focus on customers more clearly. Here they deliver or they send personalized format of emails to the customers and attract their attention. The next tool of this direct marketing is text marketing. Text marketing and telemarketing are interrelated with each other because both takes place on by using mobile phones or telephones. Here in text marketing, small text messages or SMS sent to the customers which contain different marketing campaigns and different information related to product and services in order to grab the attention of customers. So this text marketing is also facing the same problem as that of telemarketing, because nowadays text or SMS is very small amount of people uses SMS for communicating, and only direct marketers or spam SMS are utilized in this text marketing. So people, without even reading the message, people understand that it's a spam and they avoid to waste their time in reading that messages. Text marketing is getting outdated day by day. The next one is, the next pillar or tool of direct marketing is leaflet marketing. Leaflet marketing, under this marketing, various leaflets, pamphlets, brochures are used are used for marketing particular product or services. These all leaflets or pamphlets are decorated or formatted in such a way that they can attract the attention of customer. They can grab customers toward the service or product. This leaflet marketing is popularly used by politicians at the time of election. Also, this leaflet marketing is used by various coaching classes and various shops who are newly entering into the market. So this is also one of the important form of or tool of direct marketing. The next one is social media marketing. Here we can say that it is the latest form of or the tool for direct marketing. Similar to telemarketing and text marketing, here marketers draft the message to attract the customers and then send that messages by using various social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, then Google Plus, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. This social media marketing plays very important role because it establishes successful customer relationship management, because the marketers are using personalized messages in order to attract the customers. Under this social media marketing, various offers and various coupons updates related to products and services are directly sent to the potential customers, and as customers are spending their maximum amount of time on various social media platforms, they get to know about that offer very easily as compared to SMS and telemarketing. So it plays very important role in case of direct marketing. The next tool for direct marketing is direct selling. Direct selling, we can say that it is the oldest form of direct marketing, where salesperson or marketer directly approach to the customer, communicate with the customer, and provide various important features and characteristics of related to products and services to the customers, convey them, also understand the problems, needs and wants of customers, and according to that they customize the product and provide them the required product or service. So in case of this direct selling is maximum time observed in insurance sectors and various banking sectors, because this sector are very personalized sectors, and here people don't want to leak their private information on various online platforms. They want someone who is who personally knows them. So this direct marketing plays very important role in various banking and insurance sectors. So these are the different pillars of direct marketing. I hope you understand this, and now you can compare that all direct marketing tactics in your real life and get to know that how marketers are actually implementing these pillars and tools of direct marketing. In the next video session, we are going to see one of the most important and interesting topic of this online marketing. Till then, be safe, keep learning. Thank you.